can't be a wig. Like, I just had to call some people like, y'all, this is a wig. Like, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI. We are back with another video. We are getting into a boho braided wig. Like, but the last time I did a braided wig, I was very traumatized. This company always has good quality hair, so this should be a good wig. This is the bag. It's so cute. The box comes out the bag. This is what it comes with. It comes with your little cute little bag full of goodies. Elastic band, like an extra band that holds the wig, which is very good. It came with this cute little robe. Has the name on it. Bonnet, so cute, with the elastic band that has like the little ear things on there. An edge toothbrush, little tapes. I have bobby pins, lashes, wig cap, instructions. I also have extra Invisa straps. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about with these in a minute. Before we even get into the unit, I'm just going to be showing you guys everything I'm using in this video to achieve this install. Holding spray, lace adhesive spray. We're using the Kiss Colors and Care Lace Bond adhesive spray. What we're using today. So if you need to pause, take a screenshot. We might use this hair mousse because this is a braided wig, and after I do my braids initially, I like to put this on, so we might use this. And for the edges, we are going to be using some Got Now, I already put makeup on this unit, and I use the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 12. And when I am putting my makeup on, I just like to use this little brush from Huda Beauty that I destroyed, so it's now my hair brush. I've had this brush for so long. I bought this a long time ago and I kind of like destroyed it, so I just use it for my hair stuff. Like this is what it looks like. This with the construction of it looks like from the outside. It is very imperative that you put that makeup on the inside, so it can definitely give scalp once you put it on your head. You have your little drawstring, your little elastic band at the back. You have your Invisi straps on the side, and this is going to ensure that you can scrunch it up in the back like you see it scrunching up. It has this like little card in it for branding. That's very cute. Whole construction of the unit looks like I said before, I already put my makeup on there of what it looks like. Like, I have very high hopes for this. Only thing that I'm gonna have to do on my part is add the baby hairs on there. Like, I initially love baby hairs with my braids, and I want to mimic as if I just got my hair done, braided, I did my braids. I just have my cap on that has the same makeup that is on there. It's on my cap, but we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. Fix this really quickly. So this is what it looks like. These are the braids. Standing up, long it is, it goes to like right here to me. This is what the hair looks like. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is just make sure that everything is how I want it before, like, make sure everything is fitting ear to ear before I go ahead and continue to cut out some of the baby hairs. Okay, and then guys, very crucial thing. Make sure that you guys are not taking off the Invisa strap, cutting it. I don't even know how to put it back on, which is why I be trying to like be very cautious. In the event that I did take it off, I would definitely have to look up a tutorial on how to even fix it. So just make sure that you guys are being very careful when cutting. I'm excited. I'm actually really excited for this. So I think what I'm gonna do first is just spray it, let it dry, and then cut the lace and then take out the baby hairs. I'm gonna do that instead of taking out the baby hairs first. I have my blow dryer, cool setting. I'm probably gonna keep this on for about 5 minutes, not too much. It's just crazy though, like, do y'all see? What? Okay, and then what I like to do is just like take my little thing and just go under. Parts that need to be cut off, because all of this right here does not need to be on there. So just lift it up. Same for this part too. Cool. But as you guys can see, it kind of looks pretty sus. But we're gonna fix it. It's just some more spray. What I'm gonna do is spray it on here so that I can like dab it and blow dry it. Okay, hold on. Cause now it's kind of turning into something else. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Actually, don't do that. Thought I was doing something and I was about to make a disaster happen. All right, so I fixed it. All I did was spray some alcohol and just wipe it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and just blow dry the rest. So, and then we're gonna wrap it one more time. We're gonna do these baby hairs. All right, so I have all the hair out and it's definitely looking like scalp for real, like yeah, straight, so that they'll be easy to style. foam stuff at the top. Just actually, I don't think I will, because the foam stuff is gonna freeze it, and it's literally giving like, maybe I might put a little bit of foam at the tops of it. This is just so cute. Wow. Just this part, these little parts that I need to stay in place. Wow, this is just so wow. Oh wow, I seriously outdid myself. Oh wow, like what? All right, so I'm just gonna spray just a little bit of my leave-in conditioner on the boho hair, and this is human hair, of course. Yeah. And I actually really like this unit because it's lightweight. At first I was about to be like, you know, it should be a little fuller, but I actually like it. Like, it's very, very lightweight. Oh my gosh, like what? This can't be a wig. Like, I just had to call some people like, y'all, this is a wig. Like, it looks really good. So let's just try a little style or two and see. Well, we already have the middle parts. Y'all already seen it in the side, so let's try to like do a little, that little cute little style people be doing with this when they do this too. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe I need to make this one look like this. Look, this one look like this one, because I kind of, well, this kind of look like, okay, let me kind of like, this looks kind of like wonky, but y'all get it. And I even did like this little bun. Like, y'all. Just the higher half up, half down. Like, this just looks so cute. Like, I am so blown away. That is the end of this tutorial, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, because I enjoy doing this because this just looks so good. Ashimary hair never disappoints. Their units are always top tier, even they braided units, as you guys can see. You guys already know, if you want all the information for this hair, click that link down below and shop Ashimary hair. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video, because we are on the road to 300K. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. We out.